Ladies and gentlemen, this is another projection from Atomic Powers Marathon. I'm going to be playing some ground war like I said I would. Just trying to get the controller because I dropped it. Oops, a daisy. There we go. My videos are way better quality now, I think. And I'm not going to be doing any videos for next week. That's why I'm doing this marathon. Because I'm going on holiday. Yippee! I'm going to be using the UMP with Spaz 12, with Marathon Stopping Power and Commando Pro, Semtex and Stun Grenades, UMP Suppressor of course, I can't really do Rapid Fire or something daft like that, I can't play on Underpass, Bad Rain, reminds me of England, I'm kidding. Come on, two more votes, yes! It's way better quality this. Hope I'll get a bit more views and my montage will look pretty cool now. So yeah. Quarion domination. Not really. 2 seconds. I'm really doing my head in. Bandit Q, I'm muting him. No, he's on the other team, don't matter. Yeah. I've got a bit of a bad throat, so these are weirdos. I'm gonna mute them.
Domination. Capture the objective.
So I'm not gonna capture the flag. Sorry for not being a team player. In fact, I'm gonna run this way.
Charlie secure.
I might have a submission gun, but it doesn't matter. It's still taking out low.
We've taken the lead.
Move, man. So this is a lot better quality, as I've already said. So yeah, just enjoy the video and I will talk through my class setup. Wait for this host migration. I hate host migrations. I'm going to be doing 6 episodes, so I'm going to use different guns every one of them. Like, I've used the MP5, I've used the UMP. What should I use now? I might go down the submachine guns. So, what's next? I'll have a look after this game. It might be the Vector or the P90. I don't know. Wait, we switched to spawns. Host migration again! I'm really sorry for the host migrations. And can you hear that music? It's my granddad. He's raving with music, I'm kidding, he's not a raver, he's not one of my core ravers. But why is he this music on? It makes him sound like a really hardcore raver. M21. Oh, I'm not doing that bad, am I? 2-2. Not bad. Right, class setup. Finally, I can actually talk about it. Host migration again.
No, I don't like it.
What the hell? What is it with these hosts? You don't like the game or something? Manual. I'll reach your shoulder. Right, class setup marathon. I need to run quite far. So, I'm using the stop and power curve. I need that extra bullet to kill him. I don't want that extra bullet to kill him. No. Because, like, if you're close range, you don't want to, like take 50 or something bullets. So, it just takes the net. And my other thing. You try drop shotting. I'm doing bad. Right, I'm gonna do a combat now, you ready? Imagine a Kimbo Spaz 12, that'd be well overpowered. I've just thought of that. What's this guy on? Got Magnum Kimbo. There we go. I've realised that I haven't touched one next door with my Semtex yet. So let me just like sit here. I'm gonna wait until it plants it again. I'm gonna stay around here a bit. Oh, where was it? He knows skeleton. Nice one. Yeah, I don't rage as much as some people like. Mavin, this Chad guy, I think I've already mentioned it in one of my videos. But he raged at me because they said that I'm a bad quick scorer, but which I don't think is true. I'm okay. I'm not bad and I'm not good. I'm like in the middle. The middle. I love you in the middle. I need to delete some of my videos. I've had so many attempts like, oh god, I can't even count it. I'm not concentrating on the game. Spawn trap. Please spawn. No, it doesn't spawn. That failed. Do you know what I think FMJ should actually do? Give you more range. Be cool, wouldn't it? Proper sniper range. That'd be pretty cool. A bit overpowered, but pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to end up losing this match. I don't want to. What he's done has to be done, I guess. Hello? I've got an Apache and a Harrier. Using the Spaz 12, that's why. And I'm on 8 to 12 and now I've got an AC 130. This is bad. It's like, hey cold can, hey computer, you adopted. Bonk. No. Out of the way. Before somebody gets hurt. Called Callum. That's me. Oh, where are they? Yeah, I can go out now. Hello? God.
Yeah, you got it.
Hey, I've got stealth IV, that means I've got new castle called the Silent. I need to watch me back, it's a really sneaky look. Camper. That's exactly what I need to watch me back. It's been 10 minutes already. Wow. 10-minute episode for you guys. Not bad, eh? Right then, you. I can't reload this.
Enemy
I
area
keep
incoming.
thinking of Spasmo for Kimbo.
Losing C.
I actually don't know why I'm thinking about that.
Losing Charlie.
Yeah, because it'll be sick. No, it won't, it'll be overpowered.
You want to just put one in it?
Losing Charlie.
Like if you think there should be a Spasmo for Kimbo, comment if you don't think that there shouldn't. One way to get your comments up. Okay, I just want to hear your lot, Kimbo. Your lot's opinion. Like, who's the host?
What's my mission?
Yeah, this is gonna be a host migration. It's lagged. That's better. Oh no, it didn't. Host migration. I hate host migrations. They take the myth. Nick. 11 minutes. I can go until 15. So that's alright. It's nearly end. So one last second and it'll be end. Because it's 197 to them. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm not going to talk for the rest of this game. So peace out.